In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily share YouTube video on your Instagram story. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up YouTube app, and then we need to search for a video we would like to share. Once you find one, all you have to do is just tap right here at these three dots, select share, and then tap at copy link. What that will do, that will copy that particular video's URL to the clipboard, and after that we can close YouTube app and open up Instagram app. Then just swipe to the right to start creating a story. Then we can tap right here to set custom background for our story, or we can upload some background from our camera roll. Let me choose that picture. We can scale it in that way. Once we are ready to add a video URL to our story, we need to tap right here at stickers icon, select link sticker, and then all we have to do is just paste the URL we have just copied to that field, and then to save it, tap at done. What that will do, that will add that URL sticker to your story. We can scale it, we can rotate it, we can zoom it in or zoom out, and also we can move it around. And once we've done that, all we have to do is just share that story with our followers. I'm just gonna share it with my close friends. And then if we go to our story and tap at that sticker, we'll be redirected to the video we have shared. That's how you can easily share YouTube video on your Instagram story.